Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are doing an unboxing review of an ERBUAER paint sprayer, specifically the EAPS600. This is a 600 watt paint sprayer. It's what they call an airless sprayer. It feeds directly from the bucket of paint. So yeah, we're going to get this unboxed now and see what's going on inside the box. Now I will mention this. This has been purchased from Screwfix, or Plum Fix as I use, and it is a refurbished, reconditioned paint sprayer, which means it's been returned by the customer for whatever reason. They've fixed whatever problems was with it, and they've sent it back out at a reduced price. So this was, here in the UK, this was £143 as opposed to £199, so it still comes with a year's guarantee, and it gives you a little bit of a saving knowing that it has been refurbished and still comes with that warranty guarantee. So yeah, so what we'll do now is get it all opened, unboxed and out, and we'll see what's going on from there. See that, this is my invoice here, you don't want to see that. Already opened it up. You can see it's been taped because it's already been opened. Here we go. You can always see signs of it being opened. I mean, the cardboarding is a bit rough. That's the way it goes. Inside the box, got the sprayer hose. This is what feeds the air to the gun. So pop that down somewhere. A box of goodies there. Where's that one there? Obviously the bits and pieces that come with it. And another side bit there. That looks like the actual spray paint unit. I'll pop that down and we can get rid of the box in a minute. That looks like the base of it. And this is the feed hose. So this is the return hose and this is the feed hose. This is what sucks the paint up. You can see it's got some mesh on it that makes sure it filters out all the bits as you put it in your bucket or whatever you're using. There, make sure there's nothing else in the box. A screw. But then this is from Screwfix, so wouldn't expect something like that. There, so there we go. So basically what we need to do is find out what we've got. We have some instructions here. So you have to put this thing back together, a bit look of it. A comprehensive guide. So yeah, it's kind of showing you there what you need to do. And so on. So this is the spray gun. You see there's no actual hopper or reservoir on it, it just gets fed straight through the tube, the paint, and we've got all the accessories inside the box. So once you get inside, you can start assembling it. A bunch of spanners. They're all marked out. That's obviously 24mm, 27, 19, 17, Oh, another 17 and 19 there, so we must need them. And a bunch of screws. It's like a, I don't know, brush for cleaning everything. Yeah, let's get started. There's a spanner there. So where do we run storage on this? So that's page 26. That just said page 26. You want some assembly. So, we didn't get anywhere with this. Spot the deliberate mistake is they are the same leg. So when you're attaching, I've just tried attaching them to the sides and it doesn't work because they're both the same side leg. So, we're going to have to go back to screwfix. So guys, that ends that video sort of thing. Obviously, as you saw me unpack the box and everything, never noticed the legs. So effectively this paint sprayer had two left feet, so I had to return it back to screwfix. And with it being a refurbished model, they were like, oh, we can't give you a new one, we don't have any in stock, we can't do it at the same price, you've got to pay extra. So I thought, well, you know, I said that's not really my problem, but anyway, they did offer me another one at a lower discount. I'd have to wait till tomorrow, but they did let me take this one instead, so they've refunded me, no problem. I'll probably make a complaint to head office about that because it should have been checked, it should have been right, it should have been okay for me to set up and use, but I didn't get the opportunity to use it. I will purchase one later on and I will do another video. However, we will do a video on this now, so check out the next video that's coming up. We'll leave this one for now and I'll see you in the video for this one.